In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Coursera financial aid. This is a simple and effective process, ensuring that education remains accessible for everyone, regardless of financial constraints. So, let's dive in to see how you can apply for financial aid on Coursera. First, you'll need to log into your Coursera account. Begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your account. And voila, you're in. Now that you're logged into Coursera, it's time to choose the course for which you need financial aid. This can be done by using the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the Coursera page. Type in the course name if you have one in mind, or browse through the categories to find something that suits your interest. Once you spot the course you wish to take, click on the course title, and it will lead you straight to the course's main page. Moving on, the next step is to locate the financial aid options. On the course's main page, you'll notice a button that says Enroll for Free. Go ahead and click it. Right below this button, or sometimes alongside it, you'll find a little link or button that reads Financial Aid Available or Apply for Financial Aid. Keep an eagle eye out for this, and once you see it, click on it to proceed to the financial aid application process. Now that you've opened the financial aid application, you'll be presented with a form containing several questions. These queries are aimed at understanding why you're requesting aid, how the course will support your educational or career goals, and details about your educational background and current work situation. Make sure to fill in these sections with honesty and clarity. Attach any necessary supporting documents to bolster your application if prompted. A solid tip here is to be concise yet sincere in your responses, highlighting your motivation and financial need effectively. Once your application form is thoroughly completed, the final step is to submit it. You'll find a Submit Application button at the bottom of the form. Click on it, and that's it. Coursera will send you an email notification once they have reviewed your application. Keep in mind that this review process typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks. Once approved, you'll gain full access to the course for free, a wonderful opportunity to propel your learning without financial burdens. And there you have it. You've successfully submitted your application for financial aid on Coursera.